Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking the bobber size and your line. Pick a bobber rated for the bait weight so it floats correctly. Once done, open the clip and place it on the line above the planned hook distance. This sets depth. Make sure the clip grips the line without crushing it. Pinch it closed gently so it holds, but will release under a cast. This balance prevents slippage while allowing the bobber to trigger on a strike. Now you set the fishing depth by measuring from the surface to where the bait should sit. Use half-foot increments for precision and consider fish behavior. Next, move the clip to that point and test by lifting the line. The bobber should sit correctly. Once positioned, tighten any built-in lock or tie a small stopper not beneath the clip to prevent accidental movement. Doing this ensures your bait stays in the cast with a smooth motion so the clip holds. Then watch the bobber closely for twitches or a quick submerge, which means a strike. When you see movement, wait a half second, then set the hook firmly. If the bobber slides on the cast, make sure the clip tension is correct or replace worn clips. Too loose and it moves, too tight and it damages the line. If you get false trips, adjust bobber weight to better match bait buoyancy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.